Number 6. Sneezing baby panda. Okay, so any still frame from this clip has comedic value. Yet it went viral because of the timing and final payoff. Look at the panda, all calm and relaxed while munching on a tasty treat. Now look at the baby panda, just relaxing under the protection of its parent. Then a jump scare. The sneeze actually lifts the elder panda off the ground, surprised but not distracted enough to stop mowing down on their tasty snack. Meanwhile, the little one seems rather proud of the big sneeze, and really, so does